I wonder if this cube is any good anymore. Well, it's a little stale. Maybe let's try seasoning it a little bit. It's a little better, but we should probably just toss it. And this is the tastiest cube I own. It makes up most of my main diet. And what makes this cube so good is that it is fast, and if you sprinkle a little weight 5 on it, it gives it the perfect texture. Perfect. Now this cube, on the other hand, is old and poorly seasoned. It's so disgusting I would never eat it. But this guy would. Okay, please don't attack my hand. Just don't. Just don't.